Hi there. So I should have shot another video. I did get it all cleaned out, and I'm just putting everything back together now. What I am using is low strength Loctite. A lot of people use the blue or the red. Yeah, that's great and all if you never want something to come apart again, but I get the feeling that this thing will eventually come apart. So, I kind of dip my pieces in. I just use a little bottle cap here and then just put that in like that. Um, Something any of your gearbox, just make sure it's done evenly and fun. And then I'll be rebuilding this pump assembly next and then reattaching the whole thing to this. So, oh, lots of fun. Take care. Bye.